bleeding. So, it was Sunday night. It was Sunday night na naalarma na yung parents ko. And then I was rushed into the hospital, dun nga sa Amang Rodriguez dahil doon nagtatrabaho ang mother ko. 3 days, fluctuating platelets. Aangat ng kaunti, bagsak ng todo. Angat ng konti, bagsak ng todo. Angat ng konti, bagsak ng todo for 3 days. Na kung saan, even the tip of my hair, kapag ka nahawakan, sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Sobrang lamig ng pakiramdam ko. Sobrang hindi ko ma-imagine yung pakiramdam ko, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari sa paligid ko. Basta ang nakikita ko lang, yung bumbilya sa ibabaw at saka yung kisame. 3 days. And then, paano ko ba na-encounter yung courtier? You know what? During my college days, I am against this so-called networking. Kagaya na narinig natin kanina. Kasi nga, ang pangit ang image. My mother is the one who introduced me this platform. And she is also the one who introduced me to this product. Hospitalized ako for 3 days from Sunday night up to Wednesday. Hospitalized ako niya 3 days fluctuating. And then, Wednesday lunch, that's the time na na-encounter ko yung product. P7 na po yung inabot ko. Sabi lang sa akin ng mother ko, since may trabaho siya dun sa office sa baba, at ako lang mag-isa sa room, you know what? For 3 days, hindi ko kayang mag-isa lang. Kasi syempre, I need to go to the bathroom. Hindi ko kayang ako lang kasi sobrang hilo, sobrang hina ng katawan ko because of fluctuated platelets. So sabi ko, nung binigay na sa akin ng mother ko yung product, give this chance, anak, sabi niya sa akin. Give this product a chance. So Wednesday lunch, niround up lang na sa akin ng mother ko yung courtier. So 2-2 actually. Morning dapat yon, lunch and then evening. Nag-start ako ng Wednesday, 2 capsule. Wednesday lunch, then Wednesday evening, 2 capsule. Hanggang Thursday, the whole day, bali 6. And then Friday hanggang lunch. So to sum it up, 2 araw lang. Friday lunch, nung pag-inom ko, I was really amazed. I was really amazed by this product. Why? Kasi for the very first time, from the moment I was hospitalized, that is the very first time na nakatayo ako ng walang sakit ng ulo, na hindi nangihina ang katawan. Nakapunta ako sa CR, nakabalik ako sa higaan ko na matiwasay. At ito pa yung nakakagulat. Kasi during that time din, the moment I go back sa bed ko, it is also the time na dumating yung doctors ko. The doctor and the nurse. Hawak nila yung papers. Shockingly, yun na pala yung discharge papers ko. And my doctor said, how this happened? Na yung platelet ko, nag-above the net. For 2 days. Sobrang amazed ako sa product. Sobrang grabe yung naging testimony sa akin ng product. And you know what, to add it, Friday lunch, nilalakad na yung papers ko. Uwi ako sa bahay exactly 3 p.m. Alam naman natin na kapag